Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's review this balloon decoration together. So I got this pack from Lidl. It cost about 5.5 thereabout pounds. So I thought let's try our hands on it to see the outcome. Is the quality good enough? Is this something we can use professionally? Or is it good for a personal use? Let's go. So this is what I found inside: some balloons, some foil balloons, some gum, tape to join it together. I actually did not use all their instrument, but I use all the balloons. Let's see how this would be. So this is me blowing up the balloons, and from the texture of the balloon that I see here, they are fair enough, especially the metallic ones. They are strong, and the quality is okay. This is not something I would use if I'm doing an event for someone, because I would not entirely trust the quality. However, this is something that you can use personally if you have probably a child birthday, something you just want to do for a small family event by yourself. So you can get it in Lidl. Just like I said, I got for around 5.99 thereabouts. So this particular balloon, I had to put some water inside in order to get the particles inside to stick to the balloon. That would help with the balloon. So this is me inflating the 5-inch balloons and as well as the foil. Yes, I'm so excited to see the outcome of this balloon, and trust me, it gave me a good outcome. This is the total balloons after it has been inflated. It's 66 in total. Now I'm going to be building the cluster. Why I like to build the cluster is because it helps the garland to give it a good shape. Building the clusters into different parts, mixing the 5-inch with the bigger balloons, help the garland give a good shape. Now it's time to build our garland. The clusters that we have put together, I'm using the ribbon to join them together. See, our garland is forming up, and you would see the outcome in a bit. I know some of us will be maybe worried about how to attach this to our wall so that we don't damage our wall or our paint. Don't worry guys, I got you covered. So I'm using the painter's tape or the masking tape. So attaching the masking tape to the long balloon to the wall, it holds it firmly as long as we use it on the 4 corners to hold it down. And the removal is actually very easy. The paint doesn't come off, and it doesn't damage your wall at all. It as well holds down your balloon firmly. I had this up for over 24 hours and it was there firmly. So you can trust it guys, you can try it. Just use your masking tape and your long balloon and you're good to go. So let us add flesh to our garlands. Let us attach the 5-inch balloons here and there, filling up the blank spaces. Fill up the blank spaces in your test. Yeah, let us fill up the blank spaces in our garland and give it the lovely shape that we want. Use the 5-inch balloons, attaching it with the long balloon here and there. And I'm using the foil balloon. However, I'm just attaching it to the bottom of my garland. I used just a thread, attached it to the needle, and used it to hold it firmly with the foil. And here is our outcome, guys. Here is our outcome of the garland. I love this outcome, guys. What do you think? Would you try this? Just try it and let me see. Let me know the outcome. Leave a comment in the comment section. Would you try this for your next event? Would you risk it? Trust me, it's worth the risk, and the outcome is very beautiful. Lest I forget, this is not the only color that is there. If you want to try it, there are other colors, but I just prefer to pick this. So leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you did try this or any of our designs. Let me know if you tried it. Thank you for coming this far with us, and if you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.